Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a TCL 40R and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data and then enter the settings. Here let's scroll down to the very bottom and find the system. And on the second position we've got the system update, so let's tap. Now let's tap on check for updates, and basically here we've got the first scenario which we can meet, so your device will show you the information that your system is up to date and there's nothing to download. The second option, the second scenario, is where your device will actually find the update. It will show you the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to tap on download or install and apply the updates to the system. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.